How to create a role for cross-account access using AWS IAM role and external ID. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. In today's multi-account AWS environments, granting cross-account access is crucial for managing resources securely and efficiently. By using AWS Identity and Access Management (IAM), you can create roles that allow users in one AWS account to access resources in another. This podcast will walk you through the steps to create a role for cross-account access using an IAM role and an external ID, ensuring compliance with FedRAMP and leveraging Cloud Access Security Brokers (CASB) for enhanced security. Prerequisites. Before you begin, ensure you have AWS Management Console access, administrator privileges in both the source and target AWS accounts. Step-by-step guide. 1. Sign in to the target account. Log in to the AWS Management Console of the account that owns the resources you want to grant access to, the target account. 2. Create an IAM role. Navigate to the IAM service. Select roles from the left-hand menu. Click Create Role. Choose another AWS account as the trusted entity. Enter the account ID of the source account, the account that will assume the role. 3. Add external ID. Expand the Options section. Enter a unique external ID. The source account will use this ID to securely assume the role. Optional. Specify a Require MFA option if you want to enforce multi-factor authentication. 4. Attach policies. Click Next Permissions. Attach the required policies that grant permissions to the target account's resources. You can either use existing policies or create a custom policy. 5. Review and create. Click Next Tags. Optional, to add tags to the role for easier management. Click Next Review to review your choices. Enter a role name and an optional description. Click Create Role. 6. Grant permission in the source account. Log in to the AWS Management Console of the source account. Navigate to IAM and select Policies. Click Create Policy and define a policy that allows assuming the role in the target account. For example, version October 17, 2012. Statement. Effect. Allow. Action. SDS assume role. Resource. ARN. AWS. IAM:target account ID greater than role/role name. Attach this policy to the IAM user or group, assuming the role. 7. Assume the role in the source account. You can now assume the role by providing the role ARN and the external ID, using the AWS SDK or CLI. For example, using AWS CLI. AWS STS assume role. Role ARN AWS IAM:target account ID greater than role/role name. Role session name. External ID external ID greater than. Conclusion. Following these steps, you can securely grant cross-account access using AWS IAM roles and external IDs, ensuring compliance with FedRAMP standards and leveraging Cloud Access Security Brokers (CASB) to enhance security. This setup secures your AWS environment and streamlines cross-account resource management. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.